Pigmentation, unfortunately, is one of the hardest problems to treat in skincare, especially अगर आप एशियन हैं या अफ्रीकन डिसेंट हैं, क्योंकि वैसे आपकी स्किन बहुत मेलानिन प्रोड्यूस करती है and it responds to injury and acne by making excess pigment, which of course is a problem. To deal with pigmentation, the first thing you need to be super diligent about, and there's no negotiating here, is sun protection. इंडोर्स आउटडोर्स बाहर हैं तो हर 2 घंटे के बाद रीअप्लाई करें, क्योंकि अगर आप सन प्रोटेक्शन नहीं इस्तेमाल कर रहे, सन अवॉइडेंस प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं प्रैक्टिस कर रहे, तो आपकी जो मर्जी आप और इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, एंटी पिगमेंटेशन इंग्रेडिएंट जो भी कर रहे हैं, it will not help and it might just end up making the pigmentation worse. So this is the first thing that you want to be extremely mindful of. The second thing is कि अगर आप पिगमेंटेशन के बहुत ज़्यादा इशू से स्ट्रगल करते हैं, ये वाहिद केस है when we tend to come at it with a cocktail of active ingredients, जहाँ एक ingredient उतनी नहीं काम करता. Pigmentation is a complex process and these different ingredients work at different points in the pigmentation pathway. To deal with it effectively, unfortunately, you do need a cocktail of ingredients and the price does add up a little bit. So generally in a skincare routine, in terms of the actives, what I recommend, at least from the Acufix line, tends to be one, the powerhouse serum. This is vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha-butyrin, bearberry extract or mulberry extract. The other thing is the azelaic acid serum. I've seen it work really well for inflammatory conditions, and when you use it in conjunction with all of this, it really helps with pigmentation as well. And the third thing is the kojic acid and glutathione skin brightening cream. Now, depending on the severity of your pigmentation, you might not need to start with all three, but if you have something with melasma, you probably will need to, of course, with lots and lots of layers of sun protection that you wear throughout the day, whether or not